Do you see RAV Antivirus on your computer and want to know what to do with it? Here is everything you need to know about this app and whether you leave it on your computer or not. This is the Windows Club. As the name implies, RAV is an antivirus software. It is developed by Reason Labs. RAV Endpoint Protection is an MVI certified antivirus software. Hence, it is genuine software and not a security threat. If you want to download RAV Antivirus software, you can contact them by visiting their official website. However, if another fraudulent program uses this name and gets installed on your system without your permission, it becomes a matter of concern. The users who found it on their computers could not identify whether it was genuine RAV software or a malicious program misusing the fair name of this software. Are you one of them? Let's dive deeper. How did RAV Antivirus get installed on my PC by itself? The only way the legit RAV software can get on your PC is if you downloaded and installed it after downloading it from its official website at reasonlabs.com. When you surf the internet, you visit many websites. The websites that you visit may be safe or malicious. If you have an antivirus on your system, you are safe because antivirus blocks malicious websites. When you visit malicious websites, you may see messages like, "Your computer is infected, run an antivirus scan now." Your computer might be infected. To remove virus, contact these numbers. Many junk files are detected. Clean junk files now. Congrats, you are a lucky winner. Claim your prize now. As you click on these links, either a PUP software is installed on your system or a malicious code is injected into your system. The same thing happens when you click on the links provided in the malicious emails. Is RAV Antivirus genuine or malware? RAV Antivirus is genuine legit software from Reason Labs. If you downloaded it from reasonlabs.com and installed it, you can be sure it's genuine and safe. But if you find a program that misuses the name of RAV Antivirus fraudulently on your system, but you have never installed it, you should take immediate action as it may be a malware. There are multiple ways to check if a file or software is genuine or malicious. Some of these methods are explained below. Method 1. Scan the file using another antivirus. You can run a full system scan with Windows Defender to see if your system is infected or not. Online scanners such as VirusTotal are also good to know whether a file or software is infected or not. Method 2. View the file signature. To view the file signature, follow these steps. Open the Task Manager. Look for the RAV Antivirus process under the Processes tab. If you do not find it there, go to the Details tab. Right-click on the RAV Antivirus process and select Open File Location. File Explorer will open. Right-click on the highlighted file in File Explorer and select Properties. View the file signatures under the Digital Signatures tab. If the signature is not genuine, you should remove the program immediately. How do I remove RAV Antivirus from Windows 11? Every antivirus has the option to remove it via Settings or Control Panel. Sometimes you need to disable antivirus temporarily first. In such cases, you can use this option in your antivirus. RAV Antivirus should also have such an option. If you do not know how to disable it, contact their customer support. So that's it. Subscribe to the Windows Club for all your tech solutions related to Windows. Thanks for watching.